It is a subdued trading day for our benchmark indices. If you see the most part of the day, we've actually been pre-muted. No, you can't pinpoint a particular direction that the markets has been taken. So it is all in all a very subdued day for us. But let me take you through the stocks that are moving in trade today. And first up, I'll talk about Cipla. Cipla has surged most in about 2 months, hitting its highest level since November 9th. Cipla on Friday informed the exchanges that it has settled patent litigation with Celgene or the cancer drug Levlimid. If you look at what the analysts are saying, analysts have said that this development comes as a positive surprise. Also, it adds greater visibility to companies' US pipeline. So, based on this news, you have Cipla that is buzzing in trade. Moving on, you have Ramco Systems. That particular stock is surging over 7% in trade today after the company informed the exchanges that it has signed a large multi-million-dollar agreement for its aviation ERP as well as payroll software. The stock is up for a second straight session, but if you look at the stock performance over the last 52 weeks, it has surged about 349%, and also it is up about 25% in the last 5 trading sessions. Moving on, Burger King India, that particular counter debuted on bourses today, and it's been a whopper of a debut, if you want to put it like that. The stock almost doubled at opening. Burger King India shares opened at about 115.35 rupees per share on BSE, surging more than 92% from its issue price of 60 rupees per share. Moving on, you have Delta Corp that is surging in trade today. The stock has gained about 4% intraday. This company has received an in-principle nod from the Goa's Investment Promotion Facilitation Board for setting up of an integrated resort comprising of hotels, convention center, you have multiplex cinema, retail area, electronic casino, water park and other facilities at Pernem in Goa. The stock is up for a second day in a row. Apart from these counters that are buzzing in trade, you have KEC International that is buzzing for the most part of the day on back of an order win. You also had JK Paper that was in news, as well as JSPL, as well as JSW Steel. Both of these counters were also pretty active in trade today. Apart from that, you have VA Tech Vabag. That particular counter is also surging in today's trading session. DHFL is another counter that is in focus today on back of the bidding is taking place for DHFL. So that also counter is in focus in today's trading session. So this is how the market setup is looking like, and these are the stocks that were buzzing in trade today.